crazy for sensing that something is fundamentally wrong with reality as presented. You are not paranoid for feeling that invisible forces are feeding on human suffering. You are not alone in recognizing that the system is designed to keep you small, afraid, and producing exactly the kind of energy that sustains your imprisonment. And most importantly, you are not powerless to stop it, because once you understand the mechanism of harvest, you can withdraw your consent and reclaim your sovereignty. That is what they fear most. Not your anger, not your resistance, your complete withdrawal from the energy farm. Understanding how loosh harvesting actually works is the first step towards stopping it. This is not abstract metaphysical theory. This is mechanical, systematic extraction that happens through specific biological, psychological, and energetic mechanisms that you can identify and interrupt once you know what to look for. Your body is an electromagnetic organism that generates measurable energy fields. Your heart produces an electromagnetic field that extends several feet beyond your physical body. Your brain generates electrical patterns that can be measured as brain waves. Your nervous system is essentially a biological circuit that processes and transmits energy. Every thought produces a measurable electromagnetic signature. Every emotion generates a specific frequency pattern, and certain frequencies are more valuable to harvesting entities than others. Fear operates at approximately 100 Hz. Anger resonates around 150 Hz. Shame and guilt vibrate even lower, between 20 and 30 Hz. These low-frequency emotional states produce dense, slow-moving energy that non-physical entities find particularly nourishing. It is like the difference between trying to drink air versus drinking thick syrup. The denser the energy, the more sustaining it is for these beings. This is why systems of control are specifically designed to keep humans in the lowest possible emotional frequencies. You are more valuable as a food source when you are traumatized, afraid, and suffering. The harvesting happens through what Monroe called the collectors, non-physical beings whose entire function is energy extraction. But they do not do this alone. They work through physical intermediaries, both conscious and unconscious. Conscious intermediaries are individuals who have made agreements, often unknowingly through occult rituals or trauma-based programming, to serve as conduits for energy extraction. These people are often positioned in places of power, where they can generate suffering on massive scales. Politicians who create policies that harm millions, corporate executives who profit from human misery, media personalities who spread fear and division, religious leaders who control through guilt and shame. Unconscious intermediaries are even more common. These are everyday people who have been so thoroughly conditioned by trauma and programming that they automatically generate and spread negative energy without any awareness they